Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I want to show you how to clean your REALME 9 Pro USB charging port using only home remedies. So remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connectors so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is a piece of paper in my charging port, and to get it out you first have to take the cover, if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the brush into the USB port, one part, and gently pry out the piece of paper. So, fine. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.